Hello everyone, it's July 11th, Saturday afternoon. I'm over here at the Main Street station in Downers Grove. Don't forget to come to the sidewalk sale. Downers Grove is such a great place to live. And look at this. We've got some projects going on around town, including the plaza by the train station. And look at this. We have the Illinois Bone and Joint Institute, conveniently located between several buildings occupied by senior citizens. Before the gates went down, I noticed the light for the number 5 California Zephyr is on the horizon here, pretty much following this Metra.